Hi everyone, my name is Scott Kelly. The technique that I chose is humming. Basically, it's called humming exercise. It's more or less a deep breathing exercise, kind of. But what it does, um, it makes your when you exhale a little bit longer than just counting to three. You actually hold it, and you kind of sound like a bee. You can do it in different environments. You can do it kind of like I am now. You can do it low lit candles, kind of whatever you want. The benefits is it affects your atomic nervous system, and that is your flight response. And then as you hum and you get more calm, then it actually affects your parasympathetic nervous system, and that alleviates your fight or flight, and it just kind of relaxes you and calms you down. You don't have to be musically gifted or anything. So, I mean, I'm not a singer or anything, but you can either hum, a tune in your head. You can hum while you're doing dishes. Um, I myself do it every once in a while. And I kind of do it to music, so I thought that's what I would do today. You don't have to go with the vocals. I tend to go with the melody kind of. So I thought I'd go ahead and practice to Imagine, which is a song by John Lennon, and just kind of like maybe hum along with the melody, more or less. So we're gonna go ahead and try that. And then you just kind of put your lips together, keep your mouth shut, and they say to put your tongue against the back of your teeth, and then just kind of let it vibrate. Then you breathe in. And as you can see, your exhales are a lot longer. So, and then you just do this for 5-10 minutes. You just breathe in. Sometimes I kind of get confused between the melody and the lyrics, but it depends on how you kind of want to do it. So if you go along with the lyrics, you can kind of, it's easier to take a breath because there's a break. Where if you keep with the melody, I tend to like really run out of breath. But yeah, like I said, you just kind of do this for 5-10 minutes or the duration of the song, and you can just. You breathe in. And honestly, if you really like music, it is a good technique to use. I personally love music, so with the music and um, the actual technique, it's almost like a twofold type of thing. Um, or you can kind of just do it without music. for me it's a little awkward because I don't have anything in my head. But one way of doing it is just breathe in through your nose and then exhale through your nose. Um, and then just as long as you can, but longer than a deep breathing exercise. So it's breathe in through your nose. Breathe in through your nose. And that's really about it. It's pretty relaxing. Like I said, you don't have to be gifted or a musician or anything like that. I've done it again several ways. In a lower lit room, with some soft music. I wouldn't suggest like playing Metallica or anything, trying to hum to that. I don't think that'd be very relaxing. But, you know, um, I found various songs easy to do. There's Eric Clapton song, Wonderful Tonight. That's a good one to actually hum to too. So there's a few suggestions. So I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a little strange, but it works. So have a good one.